Conflicts Committee to the dugout. Conflicts Committee to the dugout.
And for your Class 3A 100-meter hurdles, we'll set the field in lane number 1, the junior from Evanston Township, the Wildcats, Alexia Harvey. The sophomore from Mount Prospect, the Knights, Maya Mason. In lane number 3 from Edwardsville, the Tigers, Christian Dowell. The senior, Jasmine Berry, in the middle from the Maroons of Belleville West. Black Hawks, the Aurora West, out in the middle. Emma Spagnola, the senior. She will have a busy day ahead of her. In lane number 6, Jayla Stewart, the junior from Homewood Flossmoor, on that 4x1 earlier today. Lane number 7, the senior from Normal Community West, Katie Shiflett. Kyla Jamar, the sophomore from Richards, the Bulldogs. And in lane number 9, O'Fallon, the Eagles, senior Sierra Jones. That is your field for this Class 3A hurdle final. Quiet for the start. Clean start over the hurdles for Spagnola. And that's Homewood Flossmoor, just Stewart. Spagnola, Stewart, and Belleville West coming on. Spagnola, Stewart, Belleville West. That is going to be Berry's. Belleville second. Make a late charge. That was Jasmine Berry. Emma Spagnola, one of many to come. She's your champion from Aurora West. 14-10. For Spagnola. Stewart, Homewood Flossmoor, she will sneak in 14-61. Belleville West 14-68. Those are your top 3. The Tigers, Dowell 14-87. Jones from O'Fallon 15.